Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and today's video is about pollutants from the fossil fuel industry. And unfortunately, it's very sad to report, but a study that came out in February of 2021 pointed out that as many as 8 million people died in 2018 of these sorts of pollutants. Our environment is full of them, and they are polluting our bodies. One way to determine the levels of toxins from this type in your body are by using a hair tissue mineral analysis that can give you an indication of your lead levels, your cadmium levels, and other related toxins that come from fossil fuels. There are many ways to support the body to rid itself of these toxins. The diet is very important. It's important that you're making sure you move your bowels every day, because that's the one of the very best ways to keep the toxins moving out of your body and not allowing them to be stored in the tissues. So make sure that you're having at least one excellent bowel movement a day, and sometimes it is important to have even more than that. So we recommend doing our Enema series, followed up with the coffee enema as part of that Enema series, in order to both increase the amount of stool that's coming out, but also to support the detoxification pathways through the coffee enema. Oftentimes with these pollutants, they can interfere with the pathways of the liver, phase 1 and phase 2, and make it so that the body is re-toxifying itself, because it can't pick up that phase 2 of the detoxification pathway. And so that can be supported through using our Enema series and the coffee enema, but also through using essential oils in the colon, specifically our liver cleanse essential oil blend in suppositories, rotated with our tangerine, because these essential oils actually help chelate these toxins and pull them out. The tangerine is also used directly in the coffee enema to support the binding of these petroleum byproducts. Another method of removing these pollutants from the body is by fasting, using the VE Iron's Vit-Ra-Tox Kit. And that works by, again, chelating the toxins that you are pulling into your digestive tract through the fasting process. So that is best done both with the fasting part of that and also with regular enema use. Additionally, it's important to make sure that your body has the proper mineral levels in order to run its biological processes, to be able to remove the heavy metals. Often these toxins from the fossil fuel pollutants diminish our mineral levels, so you might want to consider a multi-mineral supplement like Ortho Molecular's Multimin, because minerals such as magnesium and zinc and chromium and selenium and iron are all diminished through these kinds of pollutants. Again, with the hair tissue mineral analysis, you can directly see and track what your mineral levels are, so you know how to optimize them and how that's going. So if you need support to deal with pollutants in your body, please do reach out to us at optimalhealthnetwork.com or call us at 608-242-0200, and we would love to help you out.